To make a title sequence, click on File and New. Click on Legacy Title. And now select here your title sequence width and height. Select here your frame rate or time base for your title sequence. And you can also change your aspect ratio for sequence. And you can change here your title sequence name. And then click on OK. And now here, select the text tool, write here your text. And from this right hand menu, you can adjust your text. You can change your text size from here. You can change your text color as well, your text alignment and text font family. Once your text editing finished, just close this window. And here we can see the title sequence or text sequence created. Now, right click on this title sequence and click on new sequence from clip. And here you can see a new sequence created from my title.